Hey everyone, my name is Riley, and in this video, we are going to explore the differences between two popular business structures, LLCs and DBAs. Whether you are just starting your business or whether you are looking to take your operations to the next level, it is crucial to understand which of these structures works best for you. So I will be covering what exactly an LLC is and the benefits it offers, what a DBA is and how it can help you operate under a different name without changing your business structure, the key differences between an LLC and a DBA so that you can make an informed decision, and which option might be the right choice for you. I will also introduce you to my recommended LLC formation service that makes sure you are compliant and offers guidance if you ever need help with questions later down the road. As always, if you do use my recommended service, I may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you, and I've thoroughly researched my options and I do trust this service to provide top-notch support. So first, let's talk about LLCs or limited liability companies. An LLC is a legal business structure that provides personal liability protection. So this means that your personal assets like your home, your car and your savings are separate from your business assets. So in the event of a lawsuit or a business debt, your personal belongings are generally protected. Setting up an LLC also gives your business a lot more credibility, and in many states, it's a flexible structure that allows you to choose how to be taxed. With an LLC, you can either be taxed as a sole proprietorship, a partnership, or a corporation. LLCs are also going to come with some important tax benefits, such as pass-through taxation, which means the company's profits are only taxed once on your personal tax return, and you avoid the double taxation that corporations face. Next, let's talk about a DBA, which stands for doing business as. A DBA is essentially a business name that is different from your legal business name. For example, if you own an LLC or a sole proprietorship and you want to operate under a name that is more marketable or catchy, you can register a DBA name. Now, a DBA doesn't offer any legal protection like an LLC does. It is simply just a different name that you can use to do business under, and this can make your brand more recognizable. Essentially, the way that you want to be thinking about this is a DBA is a nickname for your business. So you could be operating your business as an LLC, but still using a different name to interact with customers. It's a flexible, relatively inexpensive option for businesses looking to rebrand or operate under a different entity. Now, looking at the key differences between these, an LLC is going to provide personal liability protection, whilst a DBA does not. Forming an LLC is going to require you to file with your state and pay fees, whilst a DBA is usually just a simple registration with your local government. In terms of taxation, an LLC has tax flexibility, whereas a DBA doesn't at all affect how your business is taxed. It's simply a name change. And then for the costs, of course, forming an LLC is going to be more expensive with filing fees and possible ongoing state requirements, whereas a DBA is typically low cost and very easy to set up. So looking at when you should choose an LLC and when you should choose a DBA, an LLC is going to be a great option if you want to limit your personal liability and have more flexibility on how your business is taxed. So if you're looking to protect your personal assets, if you're looking to raise funding, or you want to give your business a more professional image, forming an LLC is the way to go. Whereas a DBA, on the other hand, is perfect if you already have a legal business entity like a sole proprietorship or an LLC, and you just want to use a different name for your brand. It's ideal for businesses that either don't need liability protection or you already have it because you already have an LLC. So whether you are choosing to set up an LLC or whether you are simply filing a DBA, Bizee is by far the easiest and most reliable way to handle the entire process. They simplify all the paperwork, they ensure you meet all the legal requirements, and they even offer a free registered agent service for the first year. So no matter which of these business structures you are going to choose, Bizee is the best way to get it done quickly and correctly. So if you are looking to set up either of these, let's jump into my screen and I'll show you how to set up both an LLC and a DBA with Bizee. So to get started with Bizee, just click on the top link in the description of this video and it's going to take you over to this page right here. Now we will first of all talk about how to form an LLC. So all we are going to do is click right here on form your LLC, and it's going to take us over to this page. From here, all we need to do is select the entity type, which is of course going to be LLC, and then we can select the state that we want to form this in. Once we have selected this, you can see we have all of the Bizee plans right here, as well as the mandatory state fee that the state is going to charge. So the Bizee plans are going to remain consistent no matter which state you are in, but the state fee is going to change depending on your state regulations and how much they cost. From here, the Bizee package that I would recommend is going to be the standard package, and with this you get everything that you need from Bizee. So they are going to prepare and file the articles of organization. We get this free registered agent for the first year. So a registered agent is the person or company who is responsible for the legal documents of your business. Going down, they will also sort our EIN business tax number for us. This is the social security number essentially of your business, and this is required to open a business bank account and to file for taxes. They will also do our operating agreement for us, and then very important down here, we get lifetime compliance alerts and also unlimited phone and email support. So if you have any questions, you can give them a call. From here, we just want to go through and click on get started, and then we can fill in this information. We can go through the whole process, and this is how we can form our LLC. On the other hand, if you want to file a DBA, once again, just click on that top link in the description. And from here, all we are going to do is go to business formation, and then we can see assumed business name or DBA. So we just want to select this, and then we can click file assumed business name. Once again, in here, we then want to go through and fill out all of this information. So we can choose the type of business that we have. Let's say we already have an LLC that is filed in California. We can go ahead and fill this in. Then we can enter our current company name and the DBA that we would like to get right here. So we just fill in that information, click on next, and go through with this process. And that is how you can file a DBA as well. So this video should have clarified the differences between a DBA and an LLC, as well as how you can file and form both. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to smash that like button and tap that subscribe button. And until next time, take it easy.